This tutorial is an introduction to WorldBook. WorldBook is a digital online resource with thousands of encyclopedia articles and great reference tools. Whether you need information for a school project or want to learn more about our world, this is a great place to start. To access WorldBook, I'm going to do it from ClassLink, which can be found on the Oregon City School District website. Once you're logged into your ClassLink account, you can choose the Library Resources folder and WorldBook. There are a few different options for grade levels. Early learning will be for pre-kinder. Kids is for the younger elementary. Student is for the older elementary and middle school. And advanced would be high school. So today I'm going to choose kids. So there's a few different ways we can find information on WorldBook. There is the Explore button, which brings up 8 main categories to begin browsing: arts, history and government, living things, people, etc. Let's click into places, and it sees that we can see that again it breaks it down into categories. If we want to find out about cities or continents or even natural features, we can click into that, and again it breaks it down for us. We can click into forests and it gives us our articles. So we can see we have 7 items. Recently we've had some forest fires, which was very unfortunate. We'll click in and see what information we have. Okay, so we have some pictures, we have some text. If we click this tab, we have more pictures, more information. We can look at wildfire rather than the term forest fire. We'll go back to article though. This button.
A forest fire is an uncontrolled burning of forest trees and other material.
We'll read it out loud to you. The tool that I really want to show you, which is fantastic for us, is the Translate This Text tool. We can translate any text that we find on WorldBook into any language in the world. And of course, to be able to translate it into Spanish is a really fantastic tool for the students like yourselves in Todos Unidos, learning the bilingual program. So we see it has translated it for us, and we can click into the audio again, and it is going to read it in Spanish as well.
Signo de interrogación: un incendio forestal es una quema incontrolable.
Really fantastic tool. Okay, I'm going to go back to, if I can, our WorldBook. We'll go back to the main page. So that was the Explore. It's kind of like going down a rabbit hole. So much wonderful information right there. Another way to browse topics is this featured image here. So we can scroll through the images. They will change for us. And each image has the read about and what subject or topic that is. So we'll take a look at wolves. Let's click into wolves. And we get photographs. We've got information again. We have more pictures and also a video here. And if we want some even more information, we can look for it through the WorldBook Student, which was the next level up from us. And then also there is an Encyclopedia entry that is translated into Spanish. So there's a couple of different ways of getting the information in Spanish. If it has that option at the bottom of the page to open it in the Encyclopedia estudiantil halazagos, then that is a great option. Otherwise, we can use the Translate This Text tool. Okay, so we've looked at Explore, we've looked at the featured images. We can now look at Search. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you need some information about voting. Let's see. A search voting. It tells us there are 166 items, all about voting. It will tell us historical information about voting. It will tell us some of the amendments that happened. It will tell us people who helped others have the right to vote, civil rights movement, what the president does and who they are, all kinds of information about that. If we look into advanced search, then you can choose exactly what you want. Do you want an article? Do you want a map? Do you want pictures? Maybe we just want a video about voting. So let's find out, see what we bring up. Please enter a search term. Okay, it's asking me to put in voting again. Okay, and there we have our videos about voting. Two videos. There's actually 3 here. However. So all sorts of ways to get information. You can narrow it down, you can browse through loads of different topics and subjects and just see what you find. This bar at the very bottom, again, has different topics. It's a feature bar at the bottom. It's going to have links to pictures and videos, world of animals, activities you can do, maps and more, games. This is fun. There are all kinds of educational puzzles, sorting and matching games, quizzes and more. Important people is biographies of people who are famous or well known. Comparing places around the world has maps, flags and videos. Science projects provide instructions for various experiments that you could try at home. And a dictionary, of course, a dictionary gives us the meaning of words. Let's just click into activities and see what we have here. So there we have their puzzles, a treasure hunt, a creature feature, paper patterns, all sorts of fun tasks and information to be found on Worldbook. Have a look around. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it and spend a lot of time here.